The Speed of Trust by Stephen Covey is a book that explores the importance of trust in building successful relationships, both personally and professionally. The following are the key points and examples from the book. 1. Trust is the foundation of all successful relationships. Trust is the key to building strong relationships. Without trust, communication and cooperation become difficult, and progress is impeded. For example, a business partnership cannot succeed without trust between the partners. 2. Trust is a learnable skill. Trust is not a trait that people are born with, but rather a skill that can be developed through consistent effort and practice. For example, someone who has been unreliable in the past can improve their trustworthiness by consistently meeting their commitments. 3. Trust is built through character and competence. Trust is built onto key elements. Character include in integrity, intent, and values, and the second is competence include in capabilities, skills, and results. For example, a doctor who is both skilled and honest is likely to be trusted by their patients. 4. Trust is vital to success in business. Trust is a critical factor in achieving success in business. It affects everything from employee morale and productivity to customer loyalty and retention. For example, a company that consistently delivers high-quality products and services while maintaining transparency and honesty with its customers will earn their trust and loyalty. 5. High-trust organizations outperform low-trust organizations. High-trust organizations tend to outperform low-trust organizations in terms of financial performance, customer satisfaction, and employee engagement. For example, a company with a culture of trust and collaboration is more likely to have satisfied employees who work together effectively to achieve their goals. 6. Trust takes time to build but can be quickly destroyed. Trust is built over time through consistent actions and behaviors, but can be quickly destroyed by a single breach of trust. For example, a company that is caught in a major scandal can lose the trust of its customers and stakeholders almost overnight. 7. Trust is a reciprocal relationship. Trust is a two-way street. It requires both parties to be trustworthy and to trust one another. For example, a manager who trusts their employees and gives them autonomy is likely to earn their trust in return. 8. Trust can be repaired. While trust can be quickly destroyed, it can also be repaired through sincere apologies, transparent communication, and consistent actions. For example, a leader who admits to their mistakes and takes steps to make things right can regain the trust of their team. 9. Trust is essential to leadership. Leaders who are trusted are more effective in achieving their goals and inspiring their teams to do the same. For example, a leader who consistently demonstrates integrity and competence will earn the trust and respect of their followers. 10. Trust is essential to personal relationships. Trust is not just important in business, but also in personal relationships. It allows people to feel safe and secure with one another, and to build deeper connections. For example, a couple who trusts each other completely is likely to have a stronger and more fulfilling relationship. In conclusion, The Speed of Trust emphasizes the crucial role of trust in building successful relationships, both personally and professionally. It provides examples of how trust impacts business success and how it can be developed and repaired through consistent actions and behaviors. The book also stresses the importance of trust in leadership and personal relationships, and how it allows people to feel safe and build deeper connections.